Hi, welcome back. In this video I will demonstrate LRU, that is least recently used page replacement algorithm, a computer graphics mini project implemented in C++ and OpenGL. The link for other videos or other video demonstrations is given in the description below. Do follow that link to go through all the mini project demonstrations. In this case I am using CodeBlocks IDE in Windows environment to run this project. If you want to learn how to run OpenGL projects or programs in CodeBlocks, that is in Windows environment, do follow the link. You will get an idea how to install CodeBlocks and configure in Windows environment. If you want to run this project, you need to go to this particular build and then you need to select build and run here. Once you run this particular project, it will ask you to enter the 9 page requests. So I will enter 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these are the page requests. So and then once you run it, you will get this particular window, that is the main window. You just use the left mouse button to run this particular project. So these are the 3 page frames. Because the request was 2 is not present, so it will be placed in this particular first page here, page frame. Now the request is 3, it is not present in the page frame. Again the page fault will occur and the 3 will be placed at this particular place here. Now once 3 is placed at that place, again the request is for 4, the 4 is not present, again there is a page fault here. Now the next page request is for 5. Now we need to place this particular 5 at one of these particular places. So just go back. If you can see here, 5 is here, 4 is made, the request is made recently. Next 3 was made, before that 2 was made. So 2 is replaced and then 5 is placed here. That is least recently used. That's a past request you need to check here. Now coming back to the next request is 3. Because it is already present, there is no page fault. 4 is already present, there is no page fault here. 5 is already present, so there is no page fault. Now coming back to 6. 6 is not present here, so one of these particular pages have to be replaced with 6 here. Now if you look at this particular 6, before 6 the request was for 5, before that 4, before that 3. So 3 was least recently used here, so 3 will be replaced with 6 in this case. Now once 3 is replaced with 6, the last one is 7 here. Now we need to check with these 3 pages here, 5, 6 and 4. Before 7 6 was used, before that 5 was used, before that 4 was used, so 4 will be replaced with 7 in this case. So this is again a page fault. If we count, the number of page faults in this case is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So totally there are 6 page faults in this case. So this is how the LRU algorithm works, and which is demonstrated with the help of computer graphics project here, which is implemented in C++ and OpenGL programming language. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. If you want to download the source code, do follow the description. You will get the link to download this particular project's source code.